What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Cam Now, and the title of the video is "He Tries Every Excuse, Still Ends Up in Jail." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
On December 30th, 2022, a Dunwoody police officer on patrol spotted a man jaywalking, crossing the road outside the crosswalk, running in front of moving cars in Dunwoody, Georgia. The officer pulled into the Perimeter Mall parking lot and approached the man to speak with him.
In the mall parking lot near pole 104 on a black clothing. Hey man! Hey! Sir! Come here. So the reason why I'm stopping you, man, is just for walking outside the crosswalk. Oh, really? Their car's still coming over here. Do you have an ID with you or anything like that? No ID? No nothing? Do it! Get off the 15-14, I got one running. I got one running in front of Urban Outfitters.
Okay, officer in decent shape. Okay.
131's around.
Okay.
He's headed into the mall.
Oh, that's stupid. That's stupid on the victim part, or not the victim, the criminal part. Why would you run into the mall?
Move.
Okay, officer slowing down, but he... you know what? It is a
He's going downstairs. Hey, stop him!
Fortunately, mall security spotted the suspect inside and were able to stop him.
Get off the ground, you're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Stay down! Stay down! Get on the ground, prone! Get on your belly! Lay down! Hands behind your back. That was dumb.
Stop resisting, stop.
My handcuffs fell out. Don't move! Don't move! You're gonna get tased again! Stop!
See, as soon as he heard that cop say, "My handcuffs fell out," that's when he want to start squirming and, scrambling and scraping, That's when he want to start moving again. We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Hey, give me your handcuffs.
She said she don't have any. You got some? Stop resisting. Stop.
Okay,
Stop. Stop. I can't believe stop. Stop.
I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop.
Listen to me.
Just stop.
If you stop and turn around and then put your hand behind your back,
Just take my color.
you'll be able to stop.
I'll take it off once you stop resisting.
All right. Stop resisting. Hold on.
No.
Hand back.
No,
Hand back.
I can't breathe.
Go.
I can't breathe, stop. I can't breathe. Stop, I can't breathe.
Okay, we got it. Open the channel.
Okay, I can't breathe. Get on me.
Okay. Get on me. You can sit up. Get off me. Let's go. Yeah, you can sit up. Get off me. You can breathe.
I appreciate it.
Get on me.
What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I work for the government, man.
You work for the government?
Yeah, man.
So you take off running?
1, 2, 3. Yep. I work for the government, man.
Okay. Well, that doesn't give you a right to run. What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon?
Yeah.
Brandon what? What's your date of birth?
2/23/94.
2/23/94?
Yeah.
We're gonna walk back to my car. Alright. You didn't have to do this, man. All it would have been was a warning for crossing outside the crosswalk. You got warrants?
Nigga, look at his eyes.
You got warrants?
Yeah.
That's why? Yeah. What's your warrant for?
This is the ticket.
You got a warrant for a ticket?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I lost my cuffs somewhere. They fell out. Probably whenever.
Yo, he look like what's this dude? Oh man, what's his name? Mark Wahlberg, the actor, the sergeant. He looked like Mark Wahlberg. Wilberg, I think that's his name.
You got warrants?
Yeah.
That's why. Yeah. What's your warrant for?
This is the ticket.
You got a warrant for a ticket?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Mark.
Yeah, I lost my cuffs somewhere. They fell out. Probably whenever we were fighting. Hey, I appreciate it, bud. 1514 ShyGotEm. Can you run the name and date of birth for me out of Georgia?
You have a right to stop me. Is that yours all over there?
Yeah, that's mine all over there. And my handcuffs are probably in the middle of the road over there. So I'm gonna walk over there. Where's your car at, Moses? Okay.
Yeah, I took out Dylan's.
Yeah, both of them popped out of this case. That's great. Go ahead.
You dropped the bag over here?
Yeah, you dropped the bag.
Saw the bag.
Suspended license, -83.
You don't even have a warrant.
I told you that.
No, I asked you and you're like, yeah, that's why I ran.
I'm literally.
You didn't even have to run.
I got anxiety, major depression, schizophrenia. I got a ticket in my pocket right now. You can call the 18 for Brady. I am not in my right mind. That's why, sir. I had the government chasing after me. They were calling me Grow Guy. I'm the one from Atlanta. And everybody was saying I got affected by an alien. That's me. They was calling me Grow Guy. The federal government was after me, looking for me. That's it.
Hey, you want to wipe down some air
Yeah, he ain't wrapped too tight.
I guess. Yeah.
Look, I'm at work. Look at my shirt. Cheesecake Factory. I'm at work. You just scared the out of me. I had the police trying to get me before. You gotta trust. You had the police trying to get me before, beat my ass, trying to take everything from me. Please don't take me to jail, man. I was just scared.
You made the decision, man, not me.
Don't do it, man. I'm at work right now. Look.
Where's work at?
Look, at Cheesecake Factory, I promise you, they were vouch for me. They just sent me across the street to give me some lunch, sir. That's all that I did. When I saw you, sir.
All I did was stop you from crossing without a crosswalk.
I've been attacked by the police before, and that it was not in the wrong.
Dude, I'm not gonna talk to you. Did I attack you?
Sir, no.
Okay.
Please don't do this, man. Please. I'm at work right now. Please, I would lose my job and everything I got.
See for me.
Please, man, give me a chance.
I was like, who is that car that's sitting right there? I said, Laverty's running up somebody just sitting here. I knew it was you.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
I stopped him right here.
I've seen it.
I knew he was gonna run from the get-go because I kept on having to inch him closer to my car. Like, hey, come here, come on, let's go over here. Get out the road, man. And he looked away. I'm like, oh, here we go.
Man, please. Look, I'm at work right now. Please, I'm begging you.
man. Put your legs in, man.
I'm trying to.
I'm coming to Zulu 1514.
We're gonna be in the mall parking lot near pole 107.
That's all I look. They just sent me over there. I'm sorry, man. They just sent me over there to get some food.
Get in the truck now.
Please, brother. I did not mean to do anything wrong. You tackled the shit out of me. I'm choked out. I'm out of breath.
Because you kept on running from me.
You had every right to do that, bro. Look, I'm at work right now. You could take whatever you took off my money, my weed. It's just 3 or 4 grams. It's nothing. I just smoke it.
I got you, dude. You're not getting charged for a felony for it. You're just getting charged for misdemeanor. You got 2 misdemeanor tickets, man. Disorderly conduct for running from me, and the marijuana, and then also the jaywalking. All right, but you are gonna go to jail. There's nothing I can do about that. Once I'm bleeding, I gotta take you to jail, man.
Man, don't take me to jail. I'm at work. I'll lose my job, my apartment. I don't have any extra money for a ticket.
When he realized the officer wasn't buying his excuses, he asked to speak with a supervisor.
You would be going to work. You had to run from us.
Bro, I didn't mean it. I was just scared. I got mental health issues. Seriously, I want to grade it out mental.
He definitely ain't wrapped too tight. You could look in his eyes and tell nobody ain't there. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Like, look, it's like you seeing you knocking, but nobody ain't home, man. Nobody ain't home at all.
Where you hurt at?
On my knee, my stomach, my legs, everything. He tackled the shit out of me. He was punching me, choking me. I could file charge, but I'm not going. I don't want to.
Sir, we got body cam to show what exactly happened.
Sir, I don't want to. Look, man, I just want my citation to go back to work. Please, I'm begging you.
You're going to jail. That's what happens when you run. That's what happens when you run from the police. You go to jail. Should have stopped and complied. It's that easy.
Where's my stuff?
Now we're gonna get your stuff situated. You're still with your arresting officer right now. It's gonna be kept for safekeeping, so you'll be able to pick it up at our headquarters. I'll give you the address once we get down to the jail. Basically, they're gonna hold it for you, so when you get released, you can come pick it up. They're gonna keep it safe.
I got money on my phone, bro. I need my phone in my pocket right now, please.
You say you got too much what?
Money on my phone. All my money is on my phone.
So it'll be kept. It'll be kept at safekeeping, and it'll be there. Nobody gonna take your money. Trust me. Nobody's gonna take your money.
I want my phone in my pocket, so when I go to jail, wherever I'm going, I have it.
Well, I'm gonna be straightforward with you. I'm not your arresting officer, so I can't make that call.
Can you tell them that for me, please?
I can try to, but I'm just telling you right now, I can't make that call.
Tell them I need to talk to them about my stuff.
All right, let's let EMS is here now, so let them check you out for your injuries, and then blood will come in right now. So once they check you out, because you said you were hurt, so let them check you out, and then from there we'll see about your phone and everything. All right, all right.
EMS was called to the scene and evaluated him for minor injuries he sustained while running from police.
You about to hook him, B? Alright, so we're gonna have you get up, man, and just stand up and face inside the car, alright?
Can you undo the handcuffs, man?
Nah, man, we can't do that.
Loosen them up.
We can't, man. That's as much as we could do. If we could put 2 fingers in there, then that's good enough.
See if you can put 2 fingers in the both of them. Told you can't do it.
2 fingers go in there, man. 2 fingertips. Alright, where was that cut at on you? On your hand?
You know the quicker you answer, quicker we get out of here, right?
Yeah.
Just answer questions, man.
On my hands, my knees.
Which you need, both?
My right hand.
Oh, that's right.
Right knee in this. Okay.
Can I get some water?
When we get down to jail, I'll give you some water.
Get out of jail tonight, man. I got 2 jobs, good paying jobs.
Get down there early, like I said, it's still early, so you can't get out today. You're gonna have a court date, so make sure you make that court date.
Alright, you good?
Alright, man.
I got his ID and all that stuff.
Yeah, yeah, that card. And he needs you to look at him too, his elbows.
Okay.
So he's on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can just pop it, just slap it. I got you.
Fuck these handcuffs, bro. They tight. I'm in the back, shit ain't coming out going nowhere.
He must not be used to handcuffs. They ain't meant to feel comfortable.
Once medics cleared him, he was transported to the DeKalb County Jail.
Hey, I heard that Clayton County thing. He's fled from Clayton County. He knows that he is being pursued right now. Do they have any outstanding charges? Can they confirm with the RO the vehicle is one?
So what am I here to do? Get lodged into the system, and then they're gonna release you and then give you a court date. They're gonna further explain other things.
I'm going to check on that. Contact you. Only cross.
But you just gave me a court date.
Well, you can be, you're being bored here, okay? Sometimes people get cited and released. Sometimes they come down to jail. It's a preference.
He said you didn't even have no warrants.
He said that because he don't know why you ran. That's why he said that.
Oh.
Because it make no sense why you ran if you didn't have any warrants. If you didn't run, we would not be here.
Really?
Yes. He just stopped you just to talk to you, just to tell you jaywalking. You wouldn't have probably got a citation. You probably wouldn't have, but I don't know why you ran. So because you ran, you got 3 citations. Legally got 3 citations. But if you just that's why people, I don't understand. People, it can really be simple. He stopped you. Hey, what's going on? You got your ID? No, what's your name? All right, you could have got a warning. hey, here's a verbal warning, just don't jaywalk next time. You just have to run. That's on you. So you made a bad choice.
Fact.
Can't get
real.
the handcuffs. That what it did, huh?
Can you take the handcuffs out now?
When they open it, they're gonna check you for COVID. They're gonna ask you questions. When we walk in, I'll take the handcuffs off.
Can get some water?
You gotta ask them for water.
He was charged with crossing a roadway outside of a crosswalk, disorderly conduct, and possession of marijuana.
I got work tomorrow. I better not miss it. What time is it?
11:50.
So I can get in court by today.
You can get seen by the judge today, yeah.
Yeah. Come on, man.
This guy is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, boy. You brought this upon yourself. Nobody ain't even. Come on, man. Nobody ain't tell you to do what you did, dog. That's crazy. I get them cotton, boy. Hey, cop was doing his thing, man. Then you had the security guard coming through there. You know, I don't know if he would have caught him. It would have been a little minute for him to catch him if that security guard wasn't there. But, you know, that was at first I'm thinking like, why would he run in the mall? But then I'm like, ooh, you know what? It's a bigger area. There's more people. It's easy to kind of get missing. You feel me? Like, I'm like, okay. Now it makes sense a little bit, but either way it goes, he's a dumbass. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. So I'm gonna get the cops, man. They did their job, man. I'm gonna give them a 4. I'll give him a 4 for sure. Just because the cop was, you know, he had to run a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And that wasn't no short little run either. So, you know, hey, yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think they did, the rating in the comment section, man. Let me know. I'm trying to see some.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.